What I'm going to show you in this video is how to fix a Honda Mower engine or power washer engine or any kind of small Honda motor. Maybe it's on a go-kart, maybe it's on a mud motor. They use them for a lot of different things. This is a GX200, I believe, but this will even work on, like a Briggs and Stratton, like this one right here for a little power washer or push more or whatever. If it hasn't run in a while, 9 times out of 10, you do this, it'll start right up. It's very simple. You'll be sitting there pulling it, starting to get tired, and you're like, why don't this fucking thing start? Well, all you gotta do is, as you can see right here is our air breather. You gotta find the carburetor. And then right here is gonna be the carburetor, obviously. And as you can see, there's a bolt right in the very bottom of the carburetor that removes the whole bowl. And then there's a drain plug to drain out the bottom right there. You take a 10 millimeter wrench or socket, loosen it up, pull out the bolt, let the fuel run out of it for about 30 seconds. You can kind of smell it on your finger. Probably doesn't have, quite as strong a smell as what normal gasoline was. Wait about 30 seconds or so. Put your finger, should be a stronger smell of gasoline. Now what this does is a lot of times there'll be a little bit of junk or the fuel will get diluted with water or moisture. And then, it makes the fuel bad, and the water and oil obviously don't mix, the old saying. So all the water is going to go to the very bottom of your tank. That's going to go into your bowl there. You drain that, little bit of water or diluted fuel out. You don't gotta, take all the gasoline out of your tank or anything. Just what's in the bottom of that bowl. Let it run for 30 seconds, a minute or so. Put back in the bolt, and then it should start right up. Probably want to choke it. And then as you can see for this one, the pole starter's broken. So we're using our IndyCar starter method. And got to make sure the kill switch is to on. That's the way to do it, boys. Then she'll start right up and she'll run like a deer. Alrighty, that's enough of that, because I need you to hear this because it's very important. Please subscribe, and like this video. And then if this helped you at all, leave a comment and say, hey, this actually worked for me. This guy's not a complete idiot. He knew what he was talking about. Or say, oh, you're wrong. This didn't help me at all, and you should do it this way, because I definitely don't know everything, and always love the comments in the comment section, positive and negative. Anything you want to comment is up to you and much appreciated. So love the engagement, as they say these days. But anyway, subscribe, and until next time, peace. Hope this helped.